In this video, I will show you step by step how you can link your Etsy store with your Facebook page just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, guys. So let's get started. So all you have to do to link your Etsy store with your Facebook page is you need to open your Facebook page first. Okay, go to your Facebook home page like this, scroll down and click over here on this 3 point and click on page and tagging setting. Okay, like this. And what you will do next is you need to scroll down over here and click on page details. Okay, like this. It's really easy, guys, and simple. And all you have to do again is just scroll down and you should see website and social links. Okay, all you have to do, click on add website. Okay, so what you will do next, you need to put the link of your Etsy store here. So how you can get your Etsy store link? Go to your Etsy homepage like this. Just open your Etsy homepage like this, your account, okay? And click over here on Shop Manager like this. And what you will do next is you need to copy your Etsy link from here, your Etsy store link, okay? So just click over here. This is your Etsy store link. Go back to your Facebook homepage, okay, and put this link here, paste, and click on save. And that's it. That's how we can add or link or connect your Etsy store with Facebook. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.